So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the important university, that is the Quantum University. Okay, तो आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे Quantum University. You will get whole detail about this university, that what is about this university, how can you get into this college, what are the fee structure, course offered, placement, infrastructure, and all you think you will get in this college. Okay. In this video. So let us begin our video. So first of all guys, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so let us continue. So as you can see here, I have came to the official website of the Quantum University. So now let us talk something about this university. So actually Quantum University is a university located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, and one of the important university in all over the Uttarakhand. Okay, this is also means have a good NRI ranking too. Okay, so this college have a great scope. So now let us talk something more about it. So why quantum? Okay, आपके मन में क्वेश्चन राइज होगा कि why quantum means why should I choose the Quantum University? Okay, so I will give you the variety of reason for which you have to choose this college. Okay, means you will able to choose this college. So Quantum University lead the corporate world from the front. Okay, so this is the university that is leading the world. Also a Quantum University unfold the whole new age of learning. Okay, and it takes your aspiration and your passion. Okay, so it emphasizes on the interdisciplinary learning. Also this university I have already mentioned that it is ranked among the best university and top institution in India. Besides that, it have a great placement, so there is no any confusion regarding the placement. It follows your passion and it have a globally relevant curriculum. Okay, so variety of reason is present due to which you can choose this Quantum University. Okay, now moving to the next section, that is very important, QCare exam, means how will you get into this university. So there are various method a way to get into this university. First way is the QCare, that is the official examination of the Quantum University. Full form is Quantum University Entrance Test. Okay, so this is basically a test that is driven by the Quantum University, and where this is a all India level entrance cum scholarship test. Okay, so you have to sit in this examination to get into this college. Okay, beside that you can also apply on the basis of JEE main rank, just have a minimum criteria 50% percentile. Okay, so you can get into this college. So this is all about the QCare exam. Now talking about the what are the course they offered. So variety of the programs available in this college for UG courses such as engineering, BTech with honors, BTech lateral entry, computer application means BCA honors, have a management courses such as BBA in digital marketing, BBA honors business management system. Okay, so variety of the courses available in this university. You can also see you can choose BSc honors with physics, mathematics, chemistry. Okay, humanities and social science BA. Okay, you can also apply for agriculture study, health science. Also this college offer PG courses in engineering, MTech, so you can choose this college. Okay, so these are the courses that is basically available in this university. Now moving to the next section, that what is the fee structure of this college, because you know now fee structure is very important and for any institution. Okay, so what are the means condition of the fee structure, or basically what is the fee structure of this university. Okay, so there are a variety of fee structure for different courses. Okay, so you can have a here look for Quantum School of Technology, what is the fee structure. Okay, so this is the basically fee structure for semester 1 you have to pay 61,250 for BTech CS. Okay, and total you have to pay for the first year 1,14,500. Similarly for BTech in mechanical civil engineering you have to pay total 1,10,500. You can give you can see the whole detail by pausing the video. Okay, similarly I talking about the MTech, so for MTech you have to pay 90,000 about. Okay, so these are all the fee detail. You can take the screenshot of fee detail of this college. Now moving to the next important section, that is the placement, because again you know the placement is very important for any institution. Okay, and every students they want good placement. Okay, हर एक student को वही placement अच्छा चाहिए. So what is about this placement? Should I choose this college regarding the placement? So yeah, I have also mentioned in the thumbnail that this college have got recently 33 lakh CTC, means one student got, so that is very good. So this college have a separate placement cell that basically focus on the placement, means how to be very careful in the placement में किस तरह से बैठना चाहिए, क्या मेंशन मीन्स करना चाहिए, तो आपको हेल्प करेंगे प्लेसमेंट सेल वाले. ओके, and you will provide sufficient training for that. You can also here see that BTech and MBA students have excellent placement with over 85% of students placed in over 50 blue chip company. Okay, and have visited campus. So about more than 50 companies visited. Highest LPA you can have see here than 33.5 lakh, जो कि बहुत ही बड़ा होता है. ओके, और very big and important package offered. Okay, so have means you can see 173 number of company visited and 672 number student placed till now. So you can have see here that कितना बड़ा means placement है. Talking about the some of the company that visited: Capgemini, Wipro, TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, that is you know na mass marketing company, QKhill, KPIT, Mphasis, Byju's, NIIT Technology, Jana Lakshmi, S Bank. So variety of the company visited in this college. Okay, you can also see the detail of some of the student. Okay, so you can believe in this college regarding the placement. Placement बहुत अच्छा है college का. Okay, moving to the next section, that is the infrastructure or the lab. So what about the infrastructure of this college? Okay, so in the infrastructure I will also include the facilities too. So what about the facilities and the infrastructure of this college? So yeah, this college have wonderful infrastructure. Okay, in all term regard. Okay, so this college have a good auditorium. You can see here well occupied auditorium. Okay, sorry guys, auditorium. Okay, so have a seminar hall. There are almost air conditioned seminar hall to seats of 150 to 170 students. So have a good seminar hall where you will get the seminar. Okay, have a library that provide also abundant number of books. तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा लाइब्रेरी वगैरह में. You can enjoy the library also too, means आपको separate table you will provided and you will have there. Okay, so according to your demand you means you will be provided a library card and basically you will get the book that will help you in achieving your degree too. हॉस्टल के बारे में बात करूँ तो सेपरेट बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, दैट इज़ वेरी यू कैन हैव अ लुक हियर व्यू ऑफ द हॉस्टल. हॉस्टल भी भाई इस यूनिवर्सिटी का बहुत ही A1 है. ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेस एंड कैफेटेरिया. सो डाइनिंग इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ अ कॉलेज लाइफ. ओके, सो इन एडिशन टू कीपिंग द स्टूडेंट्स हेल्दी एंड फिट, मेस cafeteria are great place where they are gather and connect with peers and teacher. Okay, so they will contact with the teacher also, means have a good discussion there. Okay, so mess and cafeteria is overall good and this will provide a good facilities. Okay, so this college also have a transport facility, so you need any type of transport, then they will provide at the nominal charges. Okay, you can also look the kitna why wonderful transport system hai, so you will be provided these facilities. Okay, talking little bit about the faculties members. So what about the faculties member of this college? So again, faculties member are very fine. Most of them are the PhD degree holder and some of them are from the most important university and college. Okay, so this college have a good faculties member and they are very fine. They are will sufficient to provide you all the information. Okay, so if you face any doubt, then you can contact your HOD or something someone else. Okay, तो आप जो भी कॉलेज को मीन्स जो भी टीचर से या फैकल्टी मेम्बर से आपको ज़्यादा लगता है, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट देम. कोई भी डाउट हो दे विल सिंपली आपको सॉल्व कर देंगे. ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल अबाउट द फैकल्टीज मेम्बर. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन, दैट इज कैंपस लाइफ एंड हॉस्टल. सो आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट द हॉस्टल दैट दिस कॉलेज हैव अ गुड हॉस्टल. ओके, वेयर इन द फैसिलिटीज आई हैव ऑल्सो मेंशन द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विद द हॉस्टल. सो ओके, दिस इज द बेसिकली विजुअल ऑफ द हॉस्टल. Wait, I am showing you. Okay, so yeah, this is the basically visual of hostel. So आप देख सकते हैं well maintained and good hostel. Okay, and the world class hostels are available in this college. So you will feel you will have a good hostel life during the whole courses. Okay, पूरा कोर्स में आपका hostel life बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. ओके, सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द लास्ट सेक्शन मीन्स second last section, that what is the extracurricular activity take place in this college. Okay, so you can also see here in the gallery what are the extracurricular activities. So you will have tech quiz means tech fest, cultural fest where you will enjoy also modeling type means beside getting the courses you will also indulge in these courses. और ये भाई बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कोई भी कॉलेज में, क्योंकि college means not only to get a study and theoretical knowledge, beside that there must be some extracurricular activity. So this college provide you the good facilities, sports facilities, okay, and all thing you will get in this college, no any doubt. देख सकते हैं आप कितना बढ़िया means view है. Okay, so all type of means culture you will feel here in this college, so you can choose this college. Okay, now moving to the last section, that how will you get into this college, that I already say one of the entrance examination. Okay, so for the means if you want to take admission in this college, then you can fill one of the Google form that will be provided in my description box. Okay, आपको Google form provide कर दिया जाएगा और आप description box में you can check that. Okay, so fee for this means to register into this college you have to pay 1000 rupees, but if you use my link then you have to pay just 200 by applying the code. Okay, I will also give you the mention the code there. तो आप वहाँ कोड को चेक करके आप मीन्स जस्ट 200 में यू कैन साइन इन टू दिस कॉलेज. ओके, सो मैं आपको हर एक डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, नो एनी प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो यू कैन गो एंड फिल द गूगल फॉर्म इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज क्वांटम यूनिवर्सिटी रुड़की. ओके, सो आप देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है. ओके, now talking something pros and con, last section, that is very important. So pros, you can see that you will enjoy a good college life, have a 30-acre campus, तो भाई बहुत बड़ा campus है, have a good hostel, good auditorium. So these all things are the good. Placement भी मैंने बताया 33 लाख का highest placement है. So this is a good college in all respect. Cons not much, very much, but yeah, one con is that in agriculture engineering or agriculture sector placement is little bit low भाई. सो बट दे आर वर्किंग, बट या फिर भी भाई थोड़ा प्लेसमेंट एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में थोड़ा कम है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कॉन, और कोई एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स नहीं है. ओके, सो फाइनली दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्वांटम यूनिवर्सिटी. आई होप गाइज योर ऑल डाउट इज क्लियर रिगार्डिंग दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड you get the sufficient information. But still, if you have any doubt, then you can comment on my comment box and I will surely reply with your all the question. Okay, so till then इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दे और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे फॉर फर्दर इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स. सो टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.